Hey Brendan, I'm going to have you help me with some stuff on Artsonia. First go to artsonia.com and then click on Login, Teacher. The login is Casey Schmidt and the password is Bluebirds1 with a capital B and the number 1 to log in. Then you're going to go to Art Projects, and this first project here, some of them got uploaded upside down. So you're just going to go through and make all of those the right side up. To do that, you'll hit Edit Image and rotate it until it's the right side up. Accept it and save the changes, and then finish going through the rest of these. Back at the home page, I think there's also one robot here that needs turned right side up, and there is an alien here that needs cropped in a little bit more so you can't see the table. I know that means we'll cut part of him off, but that's okay. And you do that in the same edit image spot. And then you can go through these self-portraits here and make sure that those are all right side up. Thank you so much.